Okay, I'm still in my pajamas, but I said I would vlog today, so here we go. First thing is clean up this room. Who made this mess? This is a disaster. It was all me. This looks so much nicer. I actually want to film here right now. Okay, this might sound completely random, but as I was cleaning everything, I realized that I really want to start filming so much more. So I decided to do something crazy to kind of get me up to it. So all of my online training courses, I'm just gonna take them down to half off. I've never done a discount this big, but I really want to just start making new courses, new content, new workouts. So if you have ever thought about getting one of my sparring, bow staff, nunchuck, I have some 20 and 30 minute workout classes that are for $9. I'm even gonna take those to half off. So if you want to try one of my workouts, check them out on livemartialartstraining.com. I will leave a link in the description below, but for the next couple days until, let's do until October 1st, I will just make them half off, and then October I'm just gonna come out and start creating so much new content. I think that sounds like a fun motivation, so if you guys want any of those courses, go get them right now. Okay, before we continue, I realized I need to change, so I'm gonna do one of those cool transitions. All right, let's hope this works. Okay, I'm gonna hope that worked. Okay, so today I'm just gonna do just a really fun kind of sporadic workout. One of the things that I really want to focus on is getting my body really warmed up so I can have a good stretch. I don't even know if I can still do the splits. That's how long it's been since I last stretched. I'm just gonna do a really solid warm up, just get my muscles really loose, and then I'm just gonna try and see what stretches I still can and can't do, and then maybe try and compare those to before. I don't know, we'll just play around and just see how far off my flexibility is. Hopefully it's not that far off, but I know it's definitely had a decrease. All right, I'm gonna start warming up now. Okay, I'm feeling decently warmed up for now. So what I'm doing is I'm looking through my pictures on my Instagram from I don't know how far back. Let's do 3 years ago. I feel like I was still competing and decently just stretchy back then. So let's get to, I'm literally just looking back through my Instagram. Okay, so the first one that I'm picking is this one right here. I'll just insert a shot. This is when I was kicking at a Walmart, and I am doing I'm holding this stretch up, and I just look so calm and casual. I don't know if I can still do that one, so let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this guy over here for balance. I really don't think I can do this one. All right, ready, get set. Okay, come on, knee. My knee is supposed to be pointed upwards, and then we're supposed to just pop it up there. It's not this is not even close. Oh my God, I can't do this. I can hold it, but it's it's pointed this way. So in the picture, it's straight up, and right now it's just pointed off to the corner. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do a quick stretch really quick, hang on. This is the problem. I can't even do my middle splits anymore. We figured out the problem. We're gonna have a lot of work to get back to my flexibility. What have I done? Let's see how close I can get. This is gonna look so bad. Pop my knee up there and over. It's just not it. It is not it. Oh my God. Next. Okay, yeah, that just did not work out well for me. Next one. Oh, how did I? Okay. This next one is me doing a cartwheel kick and mid-air. So I think the picture was actually taken just mid-air. And I'm looking at the camera and my legs up in the air and both legs are mostly straight. So I'm gonna try and do this cartwheel kick and then freeze it in slow-mo. We'll see how it goes. First thing, let's try and get all obstacles out of the way because this might not end well. I seriously don't remember when the last time I did the cartwheel kick was, much less like try and look at the camera. Okay, wait, no, let's go in slow-mo mode. Get ready. Get set. I really don't want to do this. This is gonna be so ugly. Okay, ready, get set, and let's go. Wait, I forgot to look at the camera. Try again. And let's go. Oh my god. I thought my head was gonna go straight into the floor. Go. I don't think that was straight. Last try. Ready, get set, and let's go. I don't think it worked. I am not excited to see some of these like still shots later, or really any of these pictures. I'm worried. There's no way I can do this. Okay, I think this was like the same day. I must have been feeling really limber that day. So this one, okay. I mean, like, let's just try it. In this picture, I'm like leaning over, holding on for dear life, and my foot's supposed to magically make it up there somehow. But if I start, how am I even grabbing my foot? So I'm gonna grab my foot and I'll poke it up there. It's not liking this. And then, this is not it. My foot's not even going over me. My foot's sitting straight out to the camera. One more try. What if? And then, no. Okay, fail. Ooh, cute hair. Okay, let's do it one more. So one last one. Let's try and pick like a more realistic one. Okay, we're gonna try this one. May 14, 2018. I was feeling really limber that day. So I'm gonna be here. Foot's gonna make it up there, hand here. Alright, that's doable. Foot up here. And then I'm gonna just grab my foot and look over casually. Yeah, I think I got this one. So I'm feeling pretty good about myself now. I can at least still do one stretchy thing. I hope I entertained you guys with my non-stretchiness, but for real guys, like I said, I'm gonna make all of my previous courses 50% off for the next couple days. It'll end on October 1st, so head over to livemartialartstraining.com. And then next month, just expect to see a bunch of content because I really wanna get back into workout shape. I don't like how I'm feeling right now. Like I can't stretch. I don't feel like I have as good a cardio. My muscles just like don't feel strong, and I really want to be able to get back into doing things. So if you guys are feeling that with me, then just make sure you keep an eye out on my Instagram for all info on my new courses. It is at Live Martial Arts. And if you purchase a course, I'm gonna send you a link to join our Live Martial Arts Facebook group. It's a really good way of just like having a good community to stay motivated and just have like inspiration to make sure you work out and try and keep working towards your goals. So I'm really excited to get back into all this. I love you guys and thanks so much for always supporting my channel. I will see you guys all in the next video and have an awesome week training. Bye guys!